Hey guys, this is the part 2 of basic stitches of crochet. So this is what I did in the last video. In this video I'm gonna teach you half double crochet, so let's get started. So first, we're going to make a slip knot. Grab your yarn tail with your right hand. Take 2 fingers on your left hand. Then twist the yarn like this. Now place your left thumb into the loop. Grab the yarn end like this and pull it through the loop. Hold both sides like this and tighten it a little bit. Don't over-tighten it.
Insert your hook into the loop. To tighten the loop you have to grab the yarn tail and tighten it to match the size of your hook. Take 3 fingers in your left hand and wrap your working yarn into the 3 fingers like this. And wrap the yarn in the index finger and hold it tight. And now we're going to make foundation chain. To make chain, yarn over like this. Pull through the loop. You have to repeat it until you get 7 chains. Now I made 7 chains, and now we have to make 1 extra, so total 8 chains. So now we made 8 chains and we're going to make half double crochet. To make half double crochet, we have to skip 1 chain and yarn over first. Skip the first 1 chains from the hook. Insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. That is 1 half double crochet. Move to the next chains and repeat the same steps. Now I made 6 half double crochet, then I'm going to do the last one. So yarn over. Insert your hook into the last chain. Yarn over again. Pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops, so yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. This is half double crochet in the chain. To end it, chain 1 and cut the working yarn. And pull your hook like I do. Pull the yarn tail to tighten it. This is half double crochet. This is what I did in the last video. This is single crochet. So next I will teach you double crochet. So wait for the next part. Hope you guys loved it. See you guys in the next video.